Today we start with exercise 2B children. 2B volunteers. Children, what is the first point? Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. First point. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Children, you want to take, what is the first question is 47 plus 953. 47 plus 953. Correct, children? Plus 6437. 6437. You want to arrange this one, suitable arrangement. Children, 47 plus 953 plus 6437. How we can arrange? First, you want to add this one, these two terms. Correct, children? So, 47 plus 953, make a groove, and plus 6437. Children, you want to add this one. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10,000. 1000 plus 6,437. So answer is 7,437. Very simple. So you want to arrange suitable. 47 plus 953 plus 647. First these two terms we can add, and later then also this one also we can add. 47 plus 953 is 1000. 1000 plus 6437 is 7437. This is over, children. Children, now we want to take second question. What is that? Second question. See, children, 667 plus 770. 667 plus 770. Correct, children? Plus 333. 332. Children, those three numbers, two numbers, you can add first, and later this one you want to add. So you want to add 667 plus 333 plus 770. You can add this one. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, children. And carry 1. And 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry 1. And 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 1000 plus 770. You can add means 1770. See, children, here 667 plus 770 plus 333. First, these two numbers you can add. 667 plus 333. 1000. 1000 plus 770 is 1770. Very simple. Students, now we want to take next question. Third question. What is that third question? See, children, 186 plus 278. 186 plus 278 plus, children, 314. 314 plus 442, children. 442. Correct, children? Children, now we want to take first these two numbers you can add, and later these two numbers you can add. 186 plus 314 plus 278 plus 442. These two numbers first you can add, children. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Plus, here also I want to add 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry 1. And 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. What is that answer is? Then also, yes, 720 and 500. Children, 1220. It's very simple. You want to add like that. Correct, children? Children, you want to take next question. What is that fourth question? D. It's very simple question. 558. 558 158 plus 3937 plus 442 plus 3063. Correct children? 3063. These two numbers you can add children. First you want to take these two numbers and these two numbers you want to add. 558 plus 3937 plus 3063. These two numbers you can add means first 558 plus 442. These two numbers you can add children. So 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1, and 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus these two numbers you can add, 7 plus 3 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, carry 1, and 1 plus 9 is 10, carry 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, here 7000 plus 1000 is equal 8,000. It's very simple, children. You can understand, children. Children, now you want to take last question. What is that? This one last question is. See, children. Okay. So 1983 plus 647 plus 217. Plus children, what is that? Also 353. Correct, children? Children, now you want to add this one. First, these two numbers together and these two numbers together. So 1983 plus 270 plus 647 plus 353. Children, 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, carry 1, and then also 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 9 is 12, and carry 1, so 2200, plus 647 plus 353 is 1000, see 7 plus 3 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and carry 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, so this one 3200 because 2200 plus 1000 is equal to 3200. You can understand, children. Children, now we want to take next replace by correct digit. Shall I children this one? Next we want to go to second line. What is that second line? See, children, it's very simple. Okay, second line. Replace dash by correct digit. Children, now we want to take, what is the first question is 6172. And children, now we want to take 9, then 6. Correct, children. And this is a dash, and this is also dash. So children, now we want to write what is that? Then also here dash, and here also dash, and the right here also here 9 and 2. This is minus. Correct, children? Children, now you want to subtract here. 2 is there, cannot be subtracted from the 9. So now you want to write this one. Here 12. 12 minus 9 is 3, children. 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay, children. Now we want to take here 6 minus 6 is 0. Correct. And children, now we want to take here also carry. Here 11 minus. So what is that? Here also now we want to take here. How we can? So here 9 is there, children. Now we want to take it. How we can write there also 11 is there. You want to then also subtract here 2 is there. So 11 minus 9 is 2. Correct? So 11 minus 2 is there also 9. Here 5 is there. Here 2 is there. Correct, children? According to that, 5 minus 3 is. So what is that? 2903 is answer. Children, you want to take next question? So children, 14335. 335 and dash. Want to take here? Here also dash, and then also children sorry here also dash. And what is that? 5 and 4. Here 5 and 4. Correct, children. Now we want to write here. How you can take this one? Children, here 5 is there, here 4 is there. Here also they give some dashes. This is also dash, and this is also dash. And then also they given here 5 and 4. Correct, children? Children, here 5 minus 4 is 1. And here 3 is cannot be subtracted. That's why you want to take here carry. 13 minus 5 is 8, children. Children, here 2 is there. So here 5 is there. What you can subtract it here also? 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 because here 2 here 7. Here already is 4 is there, children. Correct? Then also you want to take a carry means here 3 is there. So here 4 is there. What you can write here? So here 14 minus also 13 minus 9 is 4. Correct, children? So now you want to take here also carry. The answer is 4, 5, 8, 1. Okay, children. Next you want to go to third one. Find the product of suitable rearrangement. Shall I rupture this one? Okay. Now you want to take third one. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. What is that product? Children, first you want to take 2 into 1768. 2 into 1768 into 50. Children, first you want to multiply these two numbers and later this one. 2 into 50 into 1768. So 2 into 50 is 100. 100 into 1768 is equal to 1768 double 0. This is over. So now we want to take another one. 25 into 1964 into 4. Children, first you want to multiply these two numbers. 25 into 4 into 1964. 25 for the 100 into 1964 is equal to 1964 double 0. This is also over, children. Correct, children? Children, now we want to take next question. What is that? C. Shall I have children this one? So now we want to take third one. What is that third one? So 8 into 391. 8 into 391 into 125. Children, first you want to multiply here. 8 into 125 into 391 because 5 8s are 40, carry 4. Okay, and 8 to the 16 plus 4 is 20, carry 8 with the 8 plus 1000. 391 is equal to 391 into 310. Okay, this is also over, children. Children, now we want to take next question is 16 into 729. 16 into 729 into 635. Children, first you want to multiply these two numbers. 16 into 625 into 729. Correct, children? What is 16 into 625? Already know that, children. That is also 10,000. Very simple. Into 729 because 5 6 is 30. According to the also carry is there also 3 and then also what we can multiply as well as there also 625 into 16 is 10,000 into 729 is equal to 729. Right, 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. Correct, children? This is also over. Children, next you want to take given two problems of homework, children, and fifth one and sixth one. Okay, children, now we want to take fourth one. What is that fourth one? Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. What is that? See, children, A is 496 into 13 into 496 children, this question is very important. We coming to your examination. Here 496 into 30, 496 into 87. You want to take two times repeating number, you want to take common. Here also 496 there, here also 496 is there. You want to take common, remaining 30 into 87. So you want to half plus 6. Children, 496 right as it is. You want to add this one, 13 plus 87 is 100. So children, now we want to multiply 496 into 100 is, okay, 496. Understood children? Children, now we want to take similar question. This one also, what is that? B question. So 6297 into 45, 6297 into 45 into 6297 into 55. Correct children? Children, now you want to take here also common 6297 into, so common we having here also 45 is there, here also 55. Correct children? Here 629, then also 6927, 6297. As well as then also 2 times is there, you want to take common. And children, so you want to add this one, 45 plus 55 is 100. You want to multiply 6297. Correct children? This is also over. Children, now you want to take next question. What is that next question? So B is over. Children, what is that? C is, so 92165 into 179 minus 92165 into 79. Children, you want to take common here. 92165 is having 2 times, right? 1 times. 92165 into, here also 179 minus 79. Students, 92165 into 100. You want to multiply 9 into 165, that was 0. Correct children? This is also over. So children, now you want to take D. Okay, shall I write this one? Now you want to take D question. Question number 4. What is that? 92165 into 48 into 92165 into 2. Correct children? So now you want to take 92165. So here also 48 is there, here also 2 is there. 92165, 48 plus 2 is 50. Children, now you want to multiply. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 6 is 30 plus 2 is 32, carry 3. 5 1 is 5 plus 3 8. 5 2s are 10. Correct children? According to that, carry 1. 5 is 45 plus 1 is 46. So answer is 46085. So children, now we want to take next question. What is that? This is also over children. Next, now we want to take E, question number E. Okay. What is that? 567 into 70 into, okay children, now we want to take according to that 567 into, according to that 30 into 567 into 70. Children, the common we have 567 is there. We want to take common factor 567. Remaining 70 plus 30 plus 70. So write 567. You want to add this one. Okay, children, 30 plus 70, 100. You want to multiple children, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct, children? You can understand this one. So as well as now we want to take next question. What is the next question? Yeah, children. 631 into 10 into 1861 minus, according to that, 861 6310 into 6310. Correct, children? 6310. Children, now we want to take according to that 1867. This one also. Okay. See, children. Now we want to take here 631 into 10 is 6310. Children, here also now we want to take how you can 1867 into 1867. There also it is there also 1000 will come in and into 630 6310. Children, now we want to take 6310 common into 1000. Correct, children? Now we want to multiply here. What is that? So 6310 and 3 4 4. This is the product. Correct, students? Now we want to take F question. What is that? There also F is over G. What is that G question about G? 860 into, correct, students, and 999 into 860. Correct, students? So, students, here 999 is there, and also 860 and 860 is there. Correct, students? You want to take here, how we can? Okay, students, it is very simple. 860, you want to take common into 999 plus 1. You want to add this one, 860 into 100 is equal to 1000. 860 1 2 3. Correct, children. This is also over, children. Children, now we want to take H question number. Next question. What is that? So 473 into 190 minus 473 into 90 into 90. Students, now you want to take common factor of 473 and write 119 minus 90. 473 into 100. Want to multiply 473 double 0. Correct, children? Remaining I and J, you want to take more children. Next, you want to go to, what is that? That is a fifth my children. Very simple. What is that? Fifth. Children, now you want to take fifth y. What is that? Using suitable, then also distributive property of multiplication, find the product of the following. Children, now we want to take, first question is 567 into 103. We want to take the distributive property. How we can take? Here 567 is there. You want to split 100 is 100 plus 3. Correct, children? Now we want to multiply 567 into 100 is, so 56700 plus this one also you want to multiply 3 7 is 21, carry to 3 6 is 80 plus 2 is 20, carry to 3 5 is 15 plus 2 is 70. Children, now you want to add this one 56700 and 107. So 170. You want to add, children. Okay. So this is 58401. 58401. This is very simple question. Children, now we want to take next 157 into 97. B is 157 into 97. Correct, students? Now we will also take this is also second question. Children, you want to write 157, 97, 100 minus 3. Correct. Children, you want to multiply 157 into 100 is 15700 minus 157 into 3. Want to multiply 3 7 21. Carry 2. 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Carry 1. 3 1 3 plus 1 is 4. Children, now you want to subtract 15700 and 17. So 472. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So 15229. 15229. Children, this type of problems is there. Remaining problems in 2 and 1. Homework, children. Today this session is end, children. Tomorrow we continue this.